If you've ever used an app that suddenly froze, loaded forever, or just stopped working, and you wondered what's going on behind the scenes, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about observability. By the end of this video, you'll understand what observability means and why it matters. Let's start with a simple question. How do engineers know what's happening inside an app? Modern apps are made up of many components working together. Servers, databases, APIs, and cloud services, all talking to each other. When something breaks, it isn't always obvious which component is causing the issue. Observability is how engineers see inside a system to understand what's happening, especially when things go wrong. Think of it like a health check for software. It's just like with a car. You can see what's happening inside the engine without taking it apart. You rely on signals like the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and warning lights. If a warning light comes on, you know something is wrong even before the car stops working. Observability does the same thing for software. It gives engineers signals that show what's happening inside their systems, find problems, and fix them before users are affected. Observability works through three main types of data or signals, often called the three pillars of observability. They're logs, metrics, and traces. First, logs. These are like diary entries that record everything the system does. User logged in at 2 p.m. or payment failed at 3:15 p.m. They tell you the story of what happened. Second, metrics. These are the numbers, like how fast your website loads, how much memory your app is using, or how many people are online right now. Think of these as your vital signs. Third, traces. These follow a single user's journey through your system. Like when you order food on an app, a trace shows every step, from your click to the restaurant receiving it, to payment processing, to delivery assignment. If something goes wrong, you can see exactly where. So why does observability matter? Well, modern apps aren't just one program anymore. They're dozens or hundreds of different services working together, often spread across different servers and locations. When something goes wrong, you need quick answers like, why is the checkout page slow? Which service is causing errors? Is this affecting everyone or just some users? Without observability, finding these answers is like searching for a needle in a haystack while blindfolded. With observability, you have a map, a metal detector, and night vision goggles. You can investigate any issue, even ones you didn't predict. So, in short, observability is about understanding what's happening inside software by looking at the signals it produces. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more observability content explained simply. See you in the next one.